Good everyone! Programming solutions, network administration, and maintenance. Worry no more because CBT Nuggets has all certification training with the business, government, and cybersecurity solutions specially designed for IT career path coming from the experts of their respective fields in a nugget way. CBT Nuggets has the entry-level, intermediate level, and advanced level of training with different known vendor from Contia, AWS, Cisco, Google, Juniper, Microsoft, and open source. I can surely help you with that. And Lenny, one of the technical specialist manager in ICT from Ict-Hytec Incorporated. I have over 5 years of experience in this high-tech industry in ICT, working with amazing clients, and had over 15 years experience in the academia. Here in Ict-Hytec Power, we can help you be part of the solution. Again, this is Lenny. You may contact my number posted on your screen. We can assist you 24/7. Again, we are Ict-Hytec Incorporated, your total solutions provider.